Okay, I gotta tune this one. For our last song, we'd like to do a special song for us. It's a song that gave us the idea for the name of our group. It's a song that was written by Kalehua for his father. And he wrote this song on the evening that they found out that his father had cancer once again. And this is a song that was difficult for us to record at times, just because of the feelings that we had for it. The song really speaks about those friends who help carry us through things, and recognizing that the relationship of the carrier oftentimes goes two ways. That, oftentimes they carry us, and in their hard times we carry them. And the song he wrote for his father talks about how his father carried him, and that it was a time after that where it was time for him to help carry his father. And we continue to carry him with us. This is a song called Ku'uhoa Hi'ikua. And I'd like to thank Uncle Jerry for letting me use his tuning. This is Uncle Jerry Santos' tuning, who's coming up later. I just sponged it up, I just watch his fingers real carefully. But this is a song that we dedicate, although he's not here this evening. Physically, we know that he's here with us. A song for Uncle Gary and for Auntie.
Oh their CDs to the side here for sale. Get it tonight, and well, I'm sure the boys will autograph it for you too. One more time, big round of applause for Hi'i Kua.